with KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. It's a gorgeous day across the islands with slightly a little more shower activity compared to the days prior. This morning we did have some early morning heavy shower downpours. Tomorrow we're seeing across the islands from county by county really windward showers for most of the island chain, scattered 30 up to 50% chance. Leeward sides looks to be seeing mostly dry conditions, but some areas, leeward side here on Oahu and the Kona coast on Hawaii Island looks to be having some afternoon cloud buildup, so mostly cloudy skies could be taking place throughout the afternoon hours tomorrow, which slightly could be transferring to some afternoon leeward showers. But in terms of tomorrow, the threat is about our ocean conditions. We have a small craft advisory for the eastern waters up until tomorrow. And in terms of our surf, flat to 2 footers here on Oahu for the north and the west, 1 to 3 for the south, and 2 to 4 will remain for east-facing shores, where we're going to be seeing the choppiest conditions thanks to the moderate to some locally breezy trade winds that will continue to breeze in directly from the east. Now, the biggest thing in our weather is the dry conditions across the islands, which has led to some pop-up and flares-offs of some wildfires. And in terms of the most extreme conditions, which was an update just a few days ago, around Thursday came the newest update, where we see that most extreme remaining on the island of Maui, which is indicated by the red, but severe drought conditions across most of the leeward areas looks to also reside. So what we're going to be seeing in the next few days is, again, a slight uptick of shower activity compared to last week, where we've seen mostly dry conditions. In terms of the winds, that actually has slightly strengthened compared to the past few days, which were on the lighter side of the trade wind spectrum. Now we're seeing around 15 up to 20 miles per hour in terms of sustained winds. Until we get into the middle of the week, we may have a slight weakening trend of those winds, but nonetheless pushing in just some passing scattered showers. Now this is getting back to some typical trade wind weather, so you can expect most of those showers to fall over the windward and Mauka sections. And with the wind slightly strengthening, that may start to alleviate some of that afternoon cloud buildup for leeward areas. Unfortunately, though, taking a peek in the next few days ahead of us, warm summer days continue. It really, when you're talking about what island feels the warmest, it's just warm. So no matter where you are and what the temperature is, it's been some humid conditions, and our high temperature in the next few days looks to be lingering around 89, 90 degrees. Fortunately, those trade winds looks to be sticking around as well.